Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to take a deep dive into the ViprTech Rebel 4.0 gaming PC, a monster machine built for gamers, streamers, content creators, and anyone who wants serious performance without compromise. Before we get started, make sure to check the link below to grab yours today at the best discounted price available. Trust me, after seeing what this PC can do, you won't want to miss out. Now, let's talk about what makes the Rebel 4.0 so impressive. At the heart of this beast is the AMD Ryzen 7 processor, delivering lightning-fast speeds, smooth multitasking, and outstanding efficiency. This chip doesn't just handle your everyday tasks, it powers through demanding AAA titles, creative workloads, and even heavy streaming without breaking a sweat. Paired with that, we've got the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4068GB GPU, and this is where things get exciting. This graphics card gives you ray tracing for hyper-realistic lighting and shadows, DLSS for higher frame rates without sacrificing quality, and enough horsepower to push your favorite games at ultra settings in 1080p, 1440p, and even dabble in 4K. Whether you're exploring open-world adventures, fast-paced shooters, or diving into VR worlds, this PC has you covered. But power is nothing without speed, and that's where the 32GB DDR4 3200 MHz RAM comes in. This isn't just good for gaming, it's a game changer for streamers, video editors, and multitaskers. You can have multiple browser tabs, OBS, editing software, and your game running all at once without slowdown. For storage, the 1TB SSD is blazing fast. We're talking almost instant boot times and load screens so short you'll barely have time to take a sip of coffee before you're in the action. It's the kind of upgrade that you'll notice immediately if you're coming from older SATA SSDs or hard drives. Connectivity is also top-notch with built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, so you're ready for multiplayer battles, wireless accessories, and streaming straight out of the box, no extra adapters needed. Of course, we can't forget about the design. The RGB lighting in the Rebel 4.0 is just gorgeous, fully customizable and perfect for creating that epic gaming atmosphere. Whether you want a subtle glow or a rainbow light show, this case delivers both style and substance with excellent airflow to keep your components cool under heavy load. In short, the ViprTech Rebel 4.0 gaming PC is a powerhouse that combines cutting-edge performance, future-ready features, and stunning aesthetics in one package. If you're looking for a PC that can handle everything from high FPS gaming to 4K video editing, and still look amazing on your desk, this is the one to get. And remember, the best deal for this PC is waiting for you right now in the link below. Don't wait too long, stock and discounts don't last forever.